Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Maitanya. As last we have seen transformation. Now email writing. What is email writing? Email is as you know electronic mail. It is exchange of statement, communication, computer through telecommunication, through messages or in a text form. It shows in a text form and it is exchange of telecommunication. These messages are in text form. They are sent from one computer to another through telephone lines and stored in a remote computer till the receivers goes through them, till that it remains storage in the computer. So what is email writing? Then email is a electronic mail. It is the exchange of message, communications of computer through telecommunications, through the messages are in text form and they are sent from one computer to another through telephone lines and stored in a remote computer till the receiver goes through them, till that it remains. While reading an email, we must bear in mind that the messages sent are clear, concise, and to the point. Clear, concise means short, and to the point. Messages sent by email are cheaper and can cover a large area throughout the world. You can want to send at any place of the world, then you can send immediately within no time. The advantage in email is speed. You can send or respond to messages or send and receive the documents in second. Within short time you can send it. So email is very important. Email is, as you know, divided into two parts: address and message. With the help of address, a message can be sent to the proper person. Formalities such as salutation and subscriptions can also be avoided. See, not in this question you will be asked to write an email depending on the given subject. You are to prepare a draft for email. Total 4 marks are allotted to this. See the example. Write an email to your friend congratulating him or her on his success. See. From saru2000@yahoo.com, January 12, 2013. See, from means your address. To means their address. There only this address, like this society, like this, no need of writing, but email address. minu14@hotmail.com. See, subject, congratulations on success. Subject compulsory you have to write. After writing your email address to whom you want to send their email address, then subject. Now see, my dear Minu, today's paper is before my eyes. Your photo on the front page speaks volumes, means telling much. It tells that you have stood first in the board examination. I congratulate you on your brilliant success. Telling that I have read in newspaper, I have seen your photograph, you stood first in the board examination. You are the industrious and promising daughter of a hard-working father. Everyone knows that your father had stood first in the whole district. You have followed in this footprints, your footsteps. Means your father also getting rank in district, you have followed his steps and you got rank in board. You have been burning the midnight oil, your hard work has borne fruit, you must be feeling elated. Your hard work bringing fruit and you must be elated. Your parents and teachers had find all their expectations they have kept on you and you have not failed them. Naturally, you are trying your best. You deserve my heartiest congratulations. Please convey the same to your parents. Yours sincerely, Salu. Like this, have to write. Not too much difference between letter and email. Number 2, write an email to your friend asking him about the health of his mother. See, from gaurang14@yahoo.com, February 5, 2013 to nat26@yahoo.com. Subject: inquiring about the health of friend's mother. See, my dear Nach. See, last time when I met you, you were worried about the health of your mother. She was under the treatment of Dr. Shah. She was suffering from serious ailment. You have been nursing her day and night. Means 24 hours you are taking care of her. Your concern for your mother is genuine. After all, it is you who has brought up after the demise of your father, means death of your father. She has educated you. She has acted both as your father and mother. To serve such a dear mother is really a matter of great pride. It is your paramount duty to look after her health. Means important duty to look after your health. I am greatly hopeful to recovery. Write to me post about the health of your dear mother. Your letter will alloy me fears. I will not rest till I get an encouraging news from your side. Yours faithfully, Gaurang. See, write an email to your younger brother asking him not to work very hard and tax himself much. From Puneet26@yahoo.com, January 17, 2013 to Pankit India @IndiaTimes.com. Subject: avoid very overworking. Avoid overworking. My dear Pankit, I am in recipients of your school progress report. It tells about your brilliant performance in all school subjects, but seems zero physical exercise. It is a matter of great sadness. It is not good at all. Dear Pankit, you have been in the hospital for over a month. You are extremely frail and weak. Your body is not too much attractive. You are still continuing medicine. You must observe precautions. It is said that prevention is better than cure. You must take care of it. Next, you need not work so hard. You need not tax so much. Your feeble body, as it will tell upon your health. Your fever replace, you can fall prey to a serious illness. You suffer from serious illness. You should know that nothing is more important than this life. As you know, nothing is more important than this life. If one is healthy and hearty, he will enjoy all the blessings of life. But if one is ill, the charm of life ends automatically, naturally. What is the use of being industrious and hardworking at the cost of losing one's health? If you are not healthy, then what is the meaning of industrious and hardworking? Keep yourself free from stress and tension. Do not exert too much. Improve your health. Bring your stamina. Acquire more and more physical persistence. Plenty of exercise. Eat nourishing food. Next time when you meet, I want to see you healthy and growing. Thank you, yours loving brother. Next, write an email to your friend describing him your new house, new neighbors. From ashok14@yahoo.com, February 23, 2013 to Vijay 2006, yahoo.com, subject new house, new neighbors. My dear Vijay, you will be happy to know that we have purchased a new house in a posh colony of Ahmedabad. It is in Bhopal. The place is extremely calm, quiet and serene. The streets are quite wide and spacious. The house itself is situated on a nice plot of land. It is a corner plot and it is quite advantageous. It opens all three sides. The description of the house: attractive, good in plot with three sides open. It is a double-storied house. There are 3 rooms in the front portion and 3 in the rear. Front side 3, rear back side 3. It is airy and well ventilated. There are marble flooring also there. The walls are painted very beautifully. The pride of the house is its kitchen and bathroom. Both are fully tiled. There is a beautiful marble tub inside the bathroom and there are metallic fittings. There is also a provision of a telephone and a shower bath. There is a system of cold and hot water. I have my own separate room for study. Our new neighbors are very nice people. On the right of our house is Mr. Juneja. He is a postgraduate teacher teaching mathematics. Quite a large number of students come to him for guidance. These groups of boys and girls talk highly of his ability and hard work. On the left is Mr. Dang, an officer in NBCC. He is thoroughly polite, courteous and gentle person. I invite you and your parent to visit our new house. Yours sincerely, Ashok. So, description of the house is being done here. That brings the end of these lectures. Write one time and prepare so that you are able to write when this type of email coming then. Okay, see you, thank you, bye.